In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Shopify store. Backing up your store is one of those tasks that doesn't feel urgent until something goes wrong. Maybe you install a new app, change a theme, or bulk edit products, and suddenly you wish you had a copy of how everything looked before. Because Shopify doesn't offer a single backup everything button, I'll show you how to manually back up your most important data: your products, your inventory, your customers, and your theme. First, log in and go to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you can see your sales, orders, and navigation on the left-hand side. We'll be using that left menu to move through the different sections we want to back up. Now, it's important to understand that there is no single way to back up your entire store in one click. Instead, you'll create separate exports for different parts of your store. Think of these as individual safety copies. One file for products, one for inventory, one for customers, and a file for your theme. Let's start with your products. In the left-hand menu, click on Products. This opens a list of all the items you sell. At the top right of this page, you'll see an Export button. Click on Export. Shopify will ask what you want to export, such as all products or just selected ones, and in what format, usually a CSV file. Choose the option that makes sense for you, then confirm. Shopify will either download the file directly or email it to you. Save this file somewhere safe, like a dedicated backups folder on your computer or cloud storage. Next, we'll back up your inventory levels. In the left menu, click on Inventory. This shows how many units you have available at each location. Again, look for the Export button on this page and click it. Just like with products, choose your export options, confirm, and then save the downloaded file in the same backup folder. Now let's back up your customers. On the left, click on Customers. This page lists all of your customer profiles. Click the Export button here too. You can usually choose to export that all customers or a specific segment. Once you confirm, download, and store that file alongside your other backups. Finally, we'll back up your theme. In the left menu, under Sales Channels, click on Online Store. Then make sure you are on the themes page. Find your current live theme. Next to the Edit Code or Edit Theme option, look for the three dots icon and click on it. In the drop-down menu that appears, choose Download Theme File. Shopify will prepare a copy of your theme and email you a download link. When you receive it, download that file and store it with your other backups. And that's it. By exporting your products, inventory, customers, and theme, you've created a